Hi everyone, this is Dr. Jaikumar. In this video, I would like to give brief information about EPG Pathshala, a gateway to all postgraduate courses. This is one of the best curriculum-based e-resource portal for undergraduate as well as postgraduate students and also the faculty members. So to go to this portal, go to any Google or web browser, type EPG Pathshala. So this home page will open. So here, as I said, EPG Pathshala is an initiative of MHRD under its NME ICT project, National Mission on Education through ICT, and the content and its quality being the key component of education system. So the high quality curriculum based interactive e-content in 70 subjects across all disciplines of social science, arts, fine arts and humanities, natural and mathematical sciences. So nearly 70 subjects course materials are available in this platform developed by sponsored by MHRD Government of India. So once you open this home page, click Student Corner. So here 70 main subjects are displayed here in the home page, and you can go to your subjects whichever you want. For example, if I want to search sources on commerce, and it has been arranged in alphabetical wise, like A, you see, adult educations, analytical chemistry, anthropology, architecture, then B, biochemistry, like this. So I want some information about commerce. Click on commerce. Here the subjects are divided into papers and modules. And commerce, you see, there are 16 papers under commerce subjects. So management, concepts of organizational behavior, managerial economics, then business and environment, marketing management. Under each paper you will get modules. So I want some videos or materials about marketing management. Click marketing management. Under marketing management, you see there are 38 modules: concepts, nature, scope, important marketing, and marketing mix. Just click on module 1. So here you can get materials in PDF format like this. This e-text. If you click here, learn more. This is PDF related to some that particular concept, and self-learning you will get some videos also. Click. This video is all about that particular topic.
From the traditional to modern concept, know nature and scope of marketing, and appreciate the importance of marketing. Marketing is an inescapable phenomenon in the present day world. Every day, we are exhibited to marketing of goods. Now let us understand the meaning of word demands. Wants that are supported by.
So in each modules you will get both PPT e-text format and also the video format like this. So you want information about any financial management, you will get 40 videos and got like 40 modules. Then managed economics will get 35 modules like this. So go back. Then I want to browse some information about human resource management. Click here. Again, under HRM, you will get 16 papers, and each papers will get like some modules, 38 modules in human value on Indian ethos. Then research methodology, and research methodology will get 40 videos and 40 PPT materials like this. Click go here, then select modules like this. Introduction to business research, formulation research problems, research designs. So this is very useful for those who are doing research, for faculty members, and also the PG students who are going to do some project work and all. This is one of the best materials they can access. So in this way, you can browse by your subjects which you are going to study. If you are going to into library information, we can get 395 modules are there. So almost 70 subjects, main course subjects materials are available, and these these are curriculum based materials. So it's most useful for the faculty members for teaching, and students they can download the notes and then update their knowledge and prepare for their examinations. And once you complete that particular paper subject, students can take the online quiz themselves. So to take quiz, again you can select the subject name, again commerce, again the particular paper. What I did was the marketing management, then paper 7, and each 7 there are modules. What I said, modules, select any module, that particular under each paper, then start, click start. So you can get questions, and you start 15 minutes time is there. So in this way, just click select, then next. In this way, you can read the questions and answer, and you can test yourself about your understanding level, how much you understand on particular subjects. So after that, just submit and finish text. So total question 17, you attempted 8, then right answer 3, like this. So you can take your quiz yourself, and you can check your understanding level on that particular topic, and it's so useful for your in competitive examination also, like this. So you can log in, you can log in and your password also. So this is one of the best resources for, as I said, UG and PG students, and more thing is curriculum based materials are available. So I recommend all the faculty members and students who are studying in higher education. So please make use of these materials developed by Government of India and MHRD and NMAICT projects. So I hope this much brief information is enough for you people to understand this. So thank you. With this I will conclude my presentation. Thank you one and all.